Overload hits fast. Want a plan that actually works? Today, a calm, step-by-step sensory overload survival guide for autistic folks and allies. 5 field-tested tips you can use anywhere. Overload stacks, bright fluorescence, echoing chatter, strong smells. Your brain says, get safe while the world keeps yelling. Here's the plan. Countdown from 5. Use what fits. 5. Control sound. Carry earplugs or noise-canceling headphones. 1 ear in still helps. 4. Dim the visuals. Sunglasses indoors, brimmed hat, screen brightness down. Avoid flicker aisles. 3. Have an exit. Pick a quiet spot before you need it. Car, restroom, fitting room, outside bench. 2. Regulate the body. Try box breathing. In 4, hold 4, out 4, hold 4. Ground with 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 senses. 1. Carry a mini toolkit. Jewelry, fidget, scent stick, hydration, quick snack. Small tools, big relief. Quick check. Which tip helps you most? Tell us below. We'll feature ideas next video. Allies, reduce questions, lower your voice, stand slightly to the side, offer choices. Quiet now or outside. Bonus, if you can't leave, create a bubble. Hood up, face to wall, eyes down, breathe, timer for 2 minutes. Watch the plan in action. Sound shield on, light filter, breathe, exit. Relief is possible. Overload isn't failure. It's your brain asking for support. With a plan, you can get back to okay. Save this for later, share with an ally, and subscribe for more sensory tools and calm down guides every week.